The clock strikes midnight. You're staring at your bank account, knowing that if anything goes wrong, car repairs, rent hikes, or even groceries, you're done. But what if instead every day felt like a payday? Picture this: your phone pings, not with another expense, but with money coming in from different places. Passive, steady, growing. That's the power of multiple income streams, and today I'll show you how to build it. Step 1. Start with what you know. It begins here. Think about what you already do. Maybe you're great at organizing, baking, or even understanding taxes. These aren't hobbies, they're seeds. A teacher turned her love for baking into a course online. She filmed at her kitchen table and uploaded it to a platform, and before she knew it, the course paid her rent. Her classroom? It's still her primary job. But now, she's teaching online while she sleeps. Step 2. Add what works without you. Now, let's multiply. Imagine renting out something you already have, an unused room, car, or camera gear. Platforms like Airbnb or Turo make this frictionless. One man turned an empty shed in his backyard into storage space. He cleaned it out and listed it, but now it earns $500 a month while he barely lifts a finger. Step 3. Build investments that pay you back. Here's the magic formula. Every dollar you earn needs a job. Some will work for you immediately. Others will go to the long game. Think dividend stocks or real estate. One couple pooled savings to buy a duplex, lived in one unit, and rented the other. That rent covered their mortgage and added $300 to their monthly pocket. Step 4. Stay creative and consistent. Please be sure to look for opportunities others overlook. Selling digital products, writing an ebook, and even creating niche YouTube videos. A college student made study guides for his classmates and started selling them online. His first sale? $5. A year later, $50,000. Here's the transformation. A life where your income doesn't come from just one place. Instead, you've got a flowing river of big and small streams working together. The key isn't being wealthy today. It's building habits that make wealth inevitable tomorrow. So, what's your first move? Is it selling an old camera? Listing a room? Creating a simple course? Start now. Build that stream. Soon you'll see how one small action today leads to financial freedom tomorrow. Subscribe for more tips to turn your what if into what's next.